shot, $500? Yo, Flight, you are a disgrace, bro. Like, I'm not even trying to be funny, bro. It comes to a point, bro, you just gotta bleach your skin. As a black African-American, bro, every black African-American out there that watch your videos, we wish you wasn't black. I'm so dead serious, bro. So, I'm gonna need you to go on the internet, search up the Michael Jackson, what was it? The Michael Jackson, yeah, the Michael Jackson method. I don't know what he did with his skin, but he did some type of bleach method. Follow his footsteps and do exactly what he did. All right, respectfully, because every time you walk out the house, bro, you are a disgrace to black African Americans, bro. We already done lost to Team USA. We already lost to Team Japan, bro. We already lost to Team Japan in 2022, bro. In soccer, we lost to them in football. Now we losing to them in basketball too.